how to loop video in CapCut. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the CapCut application on your device and then tap on the new project option and further select the video you want to make loop in. Once the video is imported, you will see a plus icon at the bottom right. Tap on that and further select the same exact video that you just added, and with this, the video will be played in loop and you can repeat the process depending on the number of loops you want. And the next process is to tap on the video in the drag bar and in the bottom toolbar, scroll through and you will see the duplicate option. Tap on that and with this, the duplicate of the video will be made. You can repeat the process based on the number of loops you want to create. So these were a few ways on how you can loop video in CapCut. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.